Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be giving you touch her and you die, touch her and I kill you, whatever you want to call this trope, book recs. I have quite a few. I didn't actually count how many I have to talk about. I have a decent amount of books to talk about. In all of them, the guy gives touch her and I kill you vibes, which I love that in a fictional man, not in a real man. So let's just talk about the books. So the first touch her and you die book rec I have for this video is Neon Gods by Katee Robert. This is a modern day Hades and Persephone retelling. Persephone is supposed to marry Zeus, but she doesn't want to, so she runs away and she meets Hades, and Hades says, you can stay with me, but you have to pretend you're dating me. I feel like that was a bad explanation, but they're basically trying to trick Zeus into thinking that they are together, but like really they are together, so like there's not really much fake about it. I read this one quite a while ago, so I don't remember too much, but I remember I really loved this book. It was really good and definitely very spicy, and Hades gave off touch her and I kill you vibes. The next one is actually a series where all the men give touch her and I kill you vibes. The Never After series by Emily McIntyre, Hooked, Scarred, and Wretched. Hooked, this one is a Peter Pan retelling. It is Hook and Wendy. Hook hates Wendy's father, Peter, so he decides to make Wendy fall in love with him. Basically kill her in front of her father is essentially his end goal. This is really good, spicy. He definitely gives touch her and I kill you vibes. He's definitely unhinged. This is a dark romance. Scarred, my favorite in the Never After series. This one is Lion King retelling, except obviously they're people, they're not lions, because that would be really fucking weird. Sarah is set to marry the king, and then she meets Tristan, who is the scarred prince, the king's brother, and they have some sexual chemistry, but she's supposed to marry his brother, but really she just wants to kill the king. That is the reason she's there. That's her goal. Kill the king. This one was really good. I absolutely adored this book. I gave this one 5 stars. This one also has a lot of spice, and Tristan gives off really big touch her and I kill you energy, and it's really good and I loved it. The next one in the series, the most recent, there's going to be more. Watch it. This one is Wizard of Oz retelling with the Wicked Witch of the West and the Tin Man. Nick, he is a DEA agent. He gets assigned to go undercover to investigate this like drug cartel kind of family situation. Eveline is part of this drug family. This one is my least favorite in the series, but I still really liked it and I read it all in one sitting. I'm obsessed with this entire series and I cannot wait for the next one, which is going to be a Jasmine and Jafar a lot of retelling with Jasmine and Jafar, so I am very excited about that. I have another series where all the guys give touch her and I kill you energy. The Twisted series by Anna Huang, Twisted Love, Twisted Games, Twisted Hate, and Twisted Lies. The first one in the series, Twisted Love, this one is brother's best friend. Ava's brother Josh is going away to be a doctor in Africa, and he asks his best friend Alex to watch over his sister. So Alex moves into Josh's house, which is right next door to Ava's house. Alex is a billionaire, genius, unhinged, definitely gives off touch her and I kill you vibes. The next book in the series, Twisted Games, this one is about Bridget and Reese. Bridget is a princess and Reese is her bodyguard, and it is a bodyguard romance. This one, Reese isn't as unhinged as the other guys in the series, however he still gives off the same touch her and I kill you energy as the other ones. The third book in the series, Twisted Hate, is about Jules and Josh. Jules is Ava's best friend and Josh is her brother, so it's best friend's brother. Josh is definitely my least favorite guy in the series. I didn't like him that much, but the book was still okay and he's definitely still gave off the touch her and I kill you energy. The last book in the series, Twisted Lies, this one has fake dating. Stella is a social media influencer and she wants to get more followers, so she strikes up this deal with this billionaire CEO guy that she can post about him to get followers, and she'll go to events with him because he doesn't want to go to the events alone. And there's like also some guys that's stalking her and he's trying to like figure out who it is. Definitely Touch Her and I Kill You. Christian Harper is very unhinged. He takes Morley Gray to another level and he definitely gives Touch Her and I Kill You vibes. It's really good. One of my favorite in the series, my favorite characters in the series. I would definitely recommend this one. The next one is a duology. These two are like connected, like you have to read the first one before the other one. Triple Threat and Death Wish by Kay Webster. This one, I really liked the first book, but the second one didn't do it for me as much. I think I gave it like a 3. This one is 3 guys, they're triplets, they're pretending to be one person, messing with this girl, pretending to be one person. All 3 of the guys give off Touch Her and I Kill You energy. This is a reverse harem, so if that's not your thing, then I wouldn't recommend this one. But if you do like reverse harem, then you'd probably like this book. The first one was really, really good and I loved it and I couldn't put it down. The second book went not where I was hoping it would go, but it was still good and it was still worth the read. Next one is a little bit lighter than the other books. The other ones have all been like dark romance. This one is definitely a lot lighter, but the guy still gives that Touch Her and I Kill You energy. Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. This book was very popular for a while on TikTok, so you probably already heard of it, but this one is Grumpy Sunshine. Naomi goes to a small town because her sister asks her for help, but when she gets there, her sister leaves, takes all her money, and leaves her with her niece. So now Naomi is stuck in a small town with no money and a niece she didn't even know existed, and she ends up moving into this house next door to Knox, who is super grumpy. And that's kind of where the story goes. Yeah, this one, he is definitely not as unhinged as the other guys in the books that I've been talking about, but he still gives off that really protective Touch Her and I Kill You energy, and I really liked this book. So if you're looking for like a lighter Touch Her and I Kill You read, this one is for you. The next book is a dark romance, not as dark as the other ones, but darker than Things We Never Got Over, Give Me a Reason by A.L. Jackson. In this one, the main character, that I cannot think of her name for some reason, needs a job. So she gets a job at this bar, and then she ends up being the owner's kindergarten teacher. So now she's working for him, but also teaching his son, and they spend time together and whatever, and it's really cute. I really like this one. The writing style is a bit different, and I didn't find I minded it in the first book in the series, but in the second one I didn't like it at all, and I DNF'd it. But I still like the first one, and the kid was really cute, so I definitely would recommend this if you like a single dad romance. It definitely gives off Touch Her and I Kill You energy. The last books I want to talk about are the Addicted Calloway Sisters series. I feel like all the guys in these books give off Touch Her and I Kill You energy. Reich and Lowe especially. Connor not as much, but I would still argue that all 3 of them give those vibes. If you don't know what it is, there's the Addicted series and the Calloway Sisters series, but then you read them intertwined. So in the Addicted series we have Lily and Lowe. They are addicts. Lily is a sex addict, Lowe is an alcoholic, and they're best friends, been best friends their whole lives, and then they fake date to hide their addictions from their families. Lowe is very protective of Lily and definitely gives off Touch Her and I Kill You energy, and I absolutely love this entire series. So good. Then with the Calloway Sister series, we have Connor and Rose and Daisy and Reich. Daisy and Rose are Lily's sisters. So Rose and Connor, they are academic rivals to lovers, and they've kind of known each other their entire lives and have been rivals throughout school. Connor gives less Touch Her and I Kill You energy as the other ones, but I would say he still has that possessive vibe to him. Then Reich and Daisy. Daisy, like I said, is Rose and Lily's sister. She's their younger sister, and Reich is a bit older than her, so there's like a little age gap going on. I don't really want to say too much about their book because I would end up spoiling the other books, so that's all I'm going to say about them. But Reich gives the most touch her and I kill you energy out of all the addicted men, in my opinion. This is my absolute favorite series. I love it so much. I love the characters. They feel so real to me. The found family in these books is amazing. That's like my favorite part of these books, is the found family. I would highly recommend this series. It's so good. If you're gonna read anything from this video, I would definitely say read the Addicted Calloway Sister series, because it's so good if you want found family, amazing characters, cute romance, touch her and I kill you men. That's all the books for this video. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe if you're not already. I post new videos every week, book recs, reading wrap-ups, TBR videos, book hauls, all that fun stuff. So if you want to see more book-related content from me, make sure to subscribe. Also, follow all my social medias. They will be linked down below. It's Ash Taylor on everything. On TikTok, I post every day. Book recs mostly, but book hauls, book reviews, all that kind of stuff. And also follow my Instagram, also it's Ash Taylor. It will be linked down below as well. I post about every other day on there. I post book reviews, book recommendations, all that fun stuff. So those will be down below. You can also add me on Goodreads, also linked down below. Also comment more touch her and I kill you book recs. It's one of my favorite tropes. I need more recs. So comment those down below. And I guess that's it. I will see you in my next video.